In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your game profile in Google Play Store permanently without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Play Store. Click on the profile icon. Scroll down right here. Click on Settings. Click on General. Click on Play Game Profile. Go ahead and click on Privacy and Settings. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on Delete Profile and Game Data. Then here you go. Go ahead and click on Permanently Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this profile? Go ahead and click on Permanently Delete. Deleting profile. Boom. Your Google Play account and profile data has been completely deleted. Then you can easily go back. By the time you refresh this part, you see that Google Play game profile is no longer found right here. Go back to your account and then you refresh your Play Store. So you exit from Play Store and then reload again. You find out that you do no longer have a Google Play gaming account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.